Ready to ditch those long bank queues? Let's get that cash deposited quickly and easily at an HSBC ATM. First, insert your HSBC debit card into the card slot. Make sure the chip is facing the correct way, usually towards the top right. Once your card is recognized, you'll see the main menu. Select Deposit Cash. The ATM will now ask you which account you'd like to deposit the money into. Choose the appropriate account, either your current or savings account. The cash deposit slot will then open. Make sure your banknotes are flat and unfolded before inserting them. Carefully insert the banknotes into the slot. The ATM might accept notes in batches, so you may have to do this more than once. The ATM will display the total amount of cash you've inserted. Double-check that this amount is correct. If it is, select Confirm. Once confirmed, the ATM will process your deposit. You'll see a transaction successful message on the screen. Don't forget to take your receipt as proof of deposit. This receipt is important for your records. Finally, remove your HSBC debit card from the ATM. And that's it. You've successfully deposited cash at an HSBC ATM.